Well. Hi, kids. I'm Mrs. Trollinga. I'm the substitute today for Mr. Janssen. Now, he left me some plans here. I'm going to take a look at them. Let me see. First thing I'm supposed to do is unring the bell. In the world you do that? Let me see. I'll give it a try. Let me see.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry I'm late.
Yeah, it says right here that Mr. Templeton had a substitute. Are you Mr. Templeton's substitute?
Yeah, I am.
What's your name?
Doris. Doris Dinglefritz.
What? Huh?
Doris Dinglefritz.
Doris Dinglefritz. Okay, well, I'm Mrs. Trollinga, and I don't want to see any goofing around. Do you hear it?
Sure.
All right.
I wasn't. Okay.
All right. Now, I got the lesson plans here, Doris.
I had them.
You lost them?
Yeah. Can you just say what they are so I know what I'm doing today?
Oh, brother. Okay, I guess I'll have to run this show. All right, here we go. Now, listen up, Doris. Snap two.
Okay.
Mr. Templeton and Mr. Janssen have been working on multiplication. Hey, Doris, you listening?
Yeah.
There's no goofing around in Miss Trollinga's class. You got that, Doris?
I got it.
All right. Now, look at the camera. There we go. Okay. It says here they've been working on multiplication, and multiplication is repeated addition. And today we're going to be working on groups of three.
Okay.
Doris?
Yeah.
Groups of three. Huh, what? I don't have anything around here. Groups of three. You got any ideas? Hey,
no.
I do. Because I'm the one that has to run the show around here, it looks like.
I'm so glad they put me with somebody smart.
Oh, yeah. All right, Doris. Did you bring your purse?
I have it with me all the time.
What kind of purse is that? I can't even tell the color of that.
It's lots of colors.
Oh,
it helps me because I can't decide.
Oh, boy. Hey, what do you got in that purse, Doris? Let's see if we can find a group of three.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I have lots of things.
It's a ruler. Coffee pot. You got any coffee in that, Doris?
No.
Oh.
I keep it with me, though, just in case.
Huh.
Read it.
Oh, what'd you win a trophy at?
Well, it says readathon, but it was really for bowling.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I have one more thing in here.
What's that? Razor? It looks like you need a razor.
Yeah.
I just shaved.
Well, that's all I've got.
You have nothing else in your purse? Look a little more, Doris.
Oh,
a little animal.
Yeah, this is Fraser Frog.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, do you got anything else?
Yeah, and this is Timmy Tiger, and this one is Larry the Moose.
It's a lamb, Doris. It's a lamb.
Larry the Lamb.
Doris. Okay, Doris, you know what's exciting, though? You have a group of 3 stuffed animals. That's a group.
It is exciting.
Hey, let me check my purse out.
Yeah.
Okay, look, guys. I got a red one here, Doris. Let me see. Oh, I have a doll.
Yeah.
And, I have another doll. And, Doris.
What?
Look, I have 3 dolls.
Yeah.
I have a group of 3 dolls. And you have a group of 3 stuffed animals.
Yeah.
So we have a group of 3 and a group of
3.
How many do we have, Doris, all together?
5. Oops.
Oh, Doris. No, we have more than 5, Doris. Doris, maybe you should write it down.
My hands are full, though.
Well, you'd have to put them down, Doris, and then pick up a dry erase marker.
Good. Put them down. Marker ready.
Okay. Doris, brother.
What?
That's not a dry erase. That's a pencil.
Okay, got it. All right.
Okay. All right. Now, Doris.
My hair keeps getting in my beard.
Well, I know. That's why you forgot to shave this morning, Doris. Okay. Now listen. Draw a picture of the 3 stuffed animals On the whiteboard, Doris. That, yeah, the one that looks white. Doris.
Yeah.
Doris.
Yeah.
Remember, you have to draw a bunch of stuffed animals and a group of dolls. Does that look like you're going to have enough room if you draw it that big, Doris?
No. Well. No, I guess not.
Doris. Yeah, Doris, you got, now, Doris,
Yeah.
good grief, Doris, we're going to be 200 years old.
Okay, I'm gonna just do, I'll do kitties.
Okay.
You stress me out so much.
Hey,
What?
quit complaining. That's teaching. These substitute teachers these days.
Yeah, whew.
Okay, now Doris, what did I have? What did I have a group of? Doris, look, what did I have a group of?
Oh, dolls?
Dolls. And I have 3 dolls, so draw a group of dolls. Remember, we had 3 of them, Doris.
I know, I was starting to make another kitty.
Okay, well, that's okay. That's okay.
I'm hurrying.
Boy, oh boy.
Okay, there. They have
Okay, great.
no face.
Now, Doris, let me go back to the lesson plans. Now, it says here that Mr. Janssen and Mr. Templeton says that multiplication is just repeated addition. Okay? So, how many cats do you have up there, Doris?
3.
Write a 3, Doris. Now, Doris, how many dolls do we have?
3.
Write a 3, Doris.
I'm good at this now.
You're really good, Doris. Okay, Doris, now they say here it's repeated addition. So let's see, we have 2 numbers that are the same. So go 3 plus 3 and then add them together, Doris. Six.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now Doris, hold on. It says here that when you're multiplying, you're counting equal groups. So let's make some groups, Doris. Now we have a Doris. Okay. Woo, boy, people they send me to work with these days. All right, Doris.
Thanks.
Doris, circle the cats. Just make a circle or an oval around the cats. Good. Now, circle the 3 dolls. Now, Doris, trick question. How many groups do we have?
2.
We have a group of cats and a group of dolls. So write a 2, Doris, because that's going to represent our groups. Now, make a multiplication sign. Doris, it looks like an X.
I remember that
Brother.
from college.
Okay. Now, how many do we have in each group, Doris?
3.
3. Write a 3, Doris. So, Doris, if I go 3, I have a group of 3 and a group of 3. Do I go 3, 6?
Yes.
Yes. So 2 times 3, 2 groups of 3 is 6.
Oh, yeah.
Now, that's what they must mean by multiplication is just repeated addition.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's great.
Okay.
That's easy.
But Doris, do you think that the groups would have to be the same to use multiplication?
Is that another trick question?
Well, like, what if your groups were all different? You couldn't count the groups because groups would have different stuff in them, right? Different number?
Oh, a different number. Yeah. So, yeah, if I want to say like how many stuffed things, like 3 stuffed dolls and 3 stuffed animals, that counts, right?
Right. Then you can use multiplication. Okay, Doris, that looks good. Now they have on here that the kids are going to do 130. Oh, and it looks just like what we just did here. If you look, 130, Doris, pay attention, snap 2. Now, here's what we just did. We had 2 groups of 3. And then they're going to count 3 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9. And then they're going to do 4 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9. What, Doris?
12.
9, 12. Because once you know that's 9, you use 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, let's look at the other one. Oh, and then this page is just a continuation of that, Doris. And, oh, some bumblebees. Boy, I bet you would like that, Doris.
No, I would not. I'm allergic to those.
Are you?
Mhm.
Well, look here what they do. They start here, and then they go 3. And then they have another group of 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so you're filling in the empty flower with the number.
Okay.
Okay. And hey, Doris, I got another trick question. How many wheels does a trike have? Tricycle.
Is that the one that has the 1 in front?
And 2 in back.
And
1
2?
plus 2.
Oh, 3?
3. Yeah, and over here you're going to be counting. If I had 1 tricycle, I'd have 3 wheels. If I had 2 tricycles, I would have 6. So that's what the kids are doing today. And let me see what else it says here. They have to work hard and do. Doris? All right, Doris. Well, you know what? It was nice working with you. I have to say it was a little frustrating, but maybe we'll work together again sometime.
That would be great.
All right, Doris. Well, goodbye, Doris. And kids, work hard and keep your nose to the grindstone.
Okay, I'm going to go shave.
All right. Good luck. Bye.
Bye.